Assalamu alaikum. Let's start with exercise 4.6. So, the distance table shows the flying distance in miles between major world airports. So, these are the all of the places: Dubai, Hong Kong, Istanbul, Karachi, Lagos, London, Singapore, Sydney, and then we have over there as well. So, this is a two-way table as well. Find the flying distance from Hong Kong to Dubai, London, and Sydney. So this table shows the flying distance between these major airports. So for finding the distance from Hong Kong to Dubai, we're going to look at Dubai. Dubai is over here, and then Hong Kong is over here, and we can see कि ये जहाँ पे मिल रहा है both of them 3695. So 3695 miles. Let's write our answers over here. A first part is 3695 miles. For the second part, we can see we are asked from the Hong Kong to London. So we can see London is over here and Hong Kong is over here, and if we combine them, so we get this value. बट यू कैन से क्या हुआ, अब हमें हांगकॉन्ग यहाँ पे भी तो मिल रहा है, एक हांगकॉन्ग यहाँ पर है और एक ये लंदन यहाँ पर है. अगर हम यहाँ पर भी जाके देखेंगे तो हमें सेम वैल्यू मिलेगी, ये दोनों वैल्यूज सेम है. सो योर आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 8252 miles. For the third part, let's erase these things. Okay, अब हमने क्या निकालना है, हांगकॉन्ग से सिडनी तक. हांगकॉन्ग से सिडनी, दिस इज द वैल्यू 4586 miles. B part, which is the longer flight, Istanbul to Montreal or Mumbai to Lagos? So Istanbul to Montreal, where is Montreal? Montreal is over here. So this is the value. And then we have Mumbai to, where is Mumbai? Okay, here is Mumbai, Mumbai to Lagos. So that's the value. So you can already see which is going to be the longer flight. The longer flight will be one that will have a greater flying distance, and we can see 5757 has a longer distance which is Istanbul to Montreal. So you are going to write B, Istanbul to Montreal. For C part, what is the total flying distance for a return flight from London to Sydney and back? So अब हमने total flying distance निकालना है for a return flight as well, ताकि London to Sydney, London is over here and Sydney is over here. So this is going to be the value. Now we need to find out the total distance. So let's see what we can do. Let's do the rough work over here. 10, 5, 6, 4 plus 10, 5, 6, 4. Or we can just simply multiply it by 2. So we will have the value 2, 8 over here, and then it will be 2, 1 plus okay, 1 and 2. So our answer is going to be 21128 miles, because total distance होगा ना दोनों को, एक तो जाने का डिस्टेंस और एक वापस आने का डिस्टेंस, दोनों डिस्टेंस को जब हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे ना तो हमारे पास फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा like this. Okay. D. If the plane flies at an average speed of 400 miles per hour, how long will it take to fly the distance from Singapore to Hong Kong to the nearest Earth? So now they have given us the speed. Speed is 400 miles per hour. And how long will it take to fly the distance from Singapore to Hong Kong? Singapore is over here to Hong Kong. It's going to be 1605. So the total distance, flying distance, is going to be 1605. And now we need to find the time. As we have all of these values, what we should do is speed is 400 miles per hour. Distance is 1605 miles, and we need to find the time in the nearest hour. So we know the formula for time. It's going to be distance over speed. So distance is 1605 over 400, and we will get something about 4.0125, which is approximately equal to 4 hour, which is the, because they have asked us to the nearest hour, that's why we have to mention it like this. So 4 hours is going to be the answer. For E part, why are there some blank blocks on this table? अब इसका मतलब है कि वो कह रहे हैं कि कहीं 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 ब्लैंक बॉक्सेस क्यों है, लेट्स सी कहाँ कहाँ पर है। पहले जो हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हैं हम उनको इरेज कर लेते हैं ताकि कंफ्यूजन ना हो। ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस। कहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है? एक ये है, यहाँ पर है हांगकांग, यहाँ पर भी है हांगकांग, यहाँ पर भी है लंदन, और यहाँ पर भी है लंदन एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस में। यहाँ पे ऊपर भी सिंगापुर है, और यहाँ पे भी सिंगापुर है, यहाँ पे भी सिडनी है, और यहाँ पे भी सिडनी है। बिकॉज वो सेम लोकेशन पे हैं, so there is going to be no flight distance. So for E part, you are going to say blanks mean that it is the same city, it is the city itself, it is the city to itself, hence no flight distance. So this is how exercise 4.6 will come to